Let's face it, living on a salary in 2023 is difficult. For you to survive, you probably need something to depend on, like a side hustle. In this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you like the work that I do on this channel, please consider partnering with me on Patreon, link in the description. So if you clicked on the video, you're probably asking yourself, what is affiliate marketing and how do I get started? Well, affiliate marketing in layman's terms is just basically an arrangement between an online store and a person, or it can be a website, it can be somebody with just an audience. So when you basically refer customers to the platform, if they make a purchase, you get a commission. That is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Probably the next question is, why should I get into affiliate marketing? Well, it's pretty profitable if you know what you're doing, especially if you have a platform. I know many people will probably go like, no, well, I don't have a website. Even if you have like a TikTok account with a lot of people and you have a community around the TikTok account, you can actually make a lot of money. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing? Well, the first thing is that you need to have an audience. This might be, you can have a website, you can have maybe a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. Just make sure that you have people following you, which will make it easier. And the next thing that you need, obviously, is to identify which company you want to be affiliated to. In my case, I use Amazon affiliates. That's the one we're going to be using in this video as an example. So you might be asking why I chose Amazon affiliates. Well, Amazon pushes billions of products each year, and a lot of people already know about Amazon. So that makes it easier. And the website, a lot of people have confidence in the website. So that will make it easier for me to refer people there because I know that they'll probably give me a sell. The beauty about affiliate marketing is that the barrier of entry is very low. All you need is just to have an audience, link them to the online store, and you get paid. So to get started with Amazon affiliates, all you need to do is visit the Amazon affiliates website, register for an account, and set up your payment information. Now, when you finish that process, the next step is to get a browser extension called Amazon Affiliates SiteStripe. Now, what this will do, it will help you to copy the links of the products that you want to share with your audience. Now, why we use the Amazon Affiliates SiteStripe is that the short code or the link itself has your information included. So you cannot go, let's say, go to the browser and copy the link to the product directly. You will not get paid. So just make sure that you bear that in mind. Now, for this example, let's use the Apple AirTags as an example. I'll just click on the link. Once it takes me to the link, I'll go above here. This is the SiteStripe extension that I'm talking about. As you can see here, it's written link plus image. I want to use link. So let me just click on link. You can see this link that has popped up. I'll copy that and I'll actually put it in the description so that when you follow it, you see what I'm saying. If you make a purchase using the link that I've created and I've left in the description there, I will get a commission basically. Now, the beauty about using Amazon affiliates is that even if the person does not buy the AirTags directly and they go and buy another product, still in the same session, you still get a commission. Now, how you get paid will depend obviously on the amount of sales that you make or the type of product that you're selling. So if I'm to give you a tip, I'll probably say, go and target the low cost value things. I mean, things under $10, $20. Those tend to sell more, for example, as opposed to bigger items, let's say like cell phones and other things that go for hundreds of dollars. Now, what you need to just make sure is that you push volumes. For example, if one is, let's say, a beauty TikToker or beauty YouTuber, they can just link maybe to their favorite brand of lipstick in the description. And obviously, if your fans are engaged with the content, you will tend to get a lot of sales and that will make you supplement your income. So pretty much that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. I hope this video was helpful. If you need more information or more detail, please leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.